Hi, my name is Charles Self, and this is a preview of the class Professional Practices in Journalism. Accurate and informative journalism is crucial for a self-governing people and for wise decisions in our own lives and in our democracy. But journalism is changing. Some journalism has slipped away from what we've called best practices. This tension over changing journalism practices is what we want to talk about this fall. My background includes 60 years of work in journalism and journalism education. I've been a reporter, editor, war correspondent, and wire services journalist. I've also been a college professor, department head, dean, and leader of 3 national journalism education associations. I've been president of several journalism professional groups. Last fall, I taught a class about changes in journalism and in democracy. This fall, I want to take a different approach. I want to focus on your observations and your experiences with journalism and with journalists. During each class period, I will describe a set of journalism practices and will give examples of how they work. Then I'll turn to you for your observations and experiences. Many of you have worked as journalists. Others have worked with journalists. I will ask you to contribute from your experiences and your observations to bring examples of best practices and poor practices in journalism. We will talk about how professional practices shape public discourse and how they impact our lives. We will explore what these practices mean for the problems we face and for our political and social systems. If this approach interests you, I would welcome you to join the class and to participate in our discussions. Thanks, and I look forward to seeing some of you this fall.